mouth of it.
Yeah.
I just want the venom to take hold.
There's no venom. It's strange.
It's not going to die from venom. It's just going to suffer.
Yeah. Come on, little guy. Oh man, he's fucked.
Oh, shit. Go, dude. Go, dude.
Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you're right.